Math solutions, not solutions. What class is going on? The same video I am uploading. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just see over here. Directly you can apply Pythagorean triplet. You can write since it is a right angle triangle. Right triangle, okay. So what will happen? Hypotenuse square, that is the biggest side, PR square will be equal to PQ square plus QR square. Okay, PR square, PR it is given 17, so 17 square.
You are explaining first
Is
number.
equal to second number. This was only asked. Yes, Anjali?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So PQ square, we have to find PQ. So of course PQ square it will be, QR is 15. So 15 square it will become.
Yes, sir.
Then 17 square is 289. Is it?
289.
15 square is 225.
Yes, sir. Equal to.
Is equal to PQ square. This plus came this side, then changed into minus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
15 square came this side, so changed into minus. Now if a square will be removed, then it will be root another side.
Yes, sir.
So 289 minus 225, it will become 64. Is it?
8.
And root under 64 is 8.
8.
Therefore you can write PQ is equal to 8 centimeter.
Answer.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So if you want
Sir.
to take screenshot, you can take it. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir,
Yes, say
3.1. So exercise 3.1, question number 14. So can you again
3.1.
explain? Yes, sir.
Question number 14.
Sir,
Yes,
you
sir, this one,
explain,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
This
sir,
last
sir,
time
but I
also I had
did not-
explained.
Sir,
Yes, sir, I
example
did not.
also this question.
Example is in example also there is, of course. So what happened? You didn't understood the pattern.
Yes, sir, I didn't understood.
Just see what happens in 7 square. It will become 49. In 67 square, when you will multiply 67 into 67, then you will get 4489. And in 667 square, when you will multiply, you will get 444,889.
889.
So in same way, with the same pattern, when it is 6, 6, 6, how many 6 are there? I think 7.
7.
Yes. A whole
Sir,
square.
which question you are making?
This is okay. 14 number.
Yes, sir. Then it will come, sir. Sir, 8, 4.
Yes, there will be one more than this 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8, 4.
And 6, 6. 7, 6.
2 to 4 to 6 and to 8. And 7, 6 will be there. No,
No, sir.
7,
8,
8 will be there.
8, 8.
And 9 will be there. In same way, if you will see B, then in B what is there? Okay, how much? Okay, just for a second.
9, 6. 1,
3, yes, 9, 6 and 1, 7 is there. 4, 4, 8 and 1, 9, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 7. So it will become 10, 4.
9, 4.
10, 4, one more than 6, okay.
Okay, sir.
So 9, 6 are there, so 10, 4 will be there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 to 10. And then after 9, 8.
9, 8.
And 9. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any more doubt?
Sir, I have 3.2, sir.
Okay, in 3.2. So before that, I think there is a division method. Yesterday also I described. Today again I will be describing so that it will become more clear to you. So in division method, of course, about 676. Last time I had said. Yes? Was 676 clear? Or once again I should explain?
Sir, one
Sir,
again,
1
one
second, sir.
time, sir, more, sir. I know
Okay.
not listen.
Okay, so 676. Let's see 676. What you have to do is you have to pair from last. If there is one left, then that will be single. Okay, just see. Like this, you will be multiplying. What number you will be keeping with the same? You have to multiply. Okay, if you are keeping 1, then with 1 it will be multiplied. If 2, then with 2. If 3, then 3. But 3 3s are 9. It is bigger. So just below then the bigger we will be applying. That is 2 to the 4. Pair should be divided. That you have to keep it in mind. This is a single pair because from last pair making, then this is a single pair. So 2 to the 4. Okay. 2 came down. Now this 2 will be added over here. It will become 4. Now again, what will happen? Pair will come down. And which number you will be keeping over here? With the same you have to multiply. Okay. So I think with 6 it will go. 6 6 are 36 and yes. So 6 we will be keeping. 6 6 are 36, 6 4 are 24 and 3 27. So it get cancelled. Okay, at last you can add also, or if you leave, no problem. If you will add, then in that case what will happen? What is over here? Half of that will be over this, and this is only the square root. So you can write since root under, or therefore 676 root under is equal to 26.
Sir,
Got it? Yes.
But I
Sir,
did not got, sir, this one, sir.
both place
No,
you
no, no.
given 6 plus.
Sir, from second, sir, I didn't got.
Okay.
Sir.
In second, what happens? Pair will come down. Okay, I'll come towards Sachin also. Pairs. Pairing why we are doing? Because in each step pair will come. Like 76 is there, 76 came down. Now which number? After adding here came 4. Which number you will be keeping? With the same number you have to multiply. And you have to check. Like suppose if you will keep 1. So with 41, 1 we will be multiplying, then we will be getting 41 only, which is too much less. If we will keep 2, then 2 with 2 we will be multiplying, that is 84. That is also less. If we will be keeping 3, then with 3 we will be multiplying. That is how much? 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12, 129. If keeping 4, then with 4 we will be multiplying. That is 4 4 is 16, and 4 4 is 16 and 117, 176. If we will keep 5, then with 5 we will be multiplying. That means 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 4 5 is 20, that is 225. That is also small. If you will keep 6, then you will find exactly it comes. Okay, like 6 6 is 36.
Yes, sir, got, sir.
Yes, and 24 and 3 27. So which number you will be keeping? With that you have to multiply. Got it?
Yes, sir, got.
Yes. Sachin, what you are saying?
Sir, one time more now, sir.
Just see. Okay, once again I will be saying. At first what you have to do is you have to make the pair. Okay. Pair will be started from last. Okay. Pair of 2.
Last one.
Okay. 3 it is. So one pair became of double numbers and one pair 6 is alone. Because 3 digit was only there. So now from first digit you will start to divide. If you will keep 1, with 1 only you have to multiply, which is less. 2, then 2 to the 4. 3, then 3 3 is 9. 9 becomes more, so with 2 only you will apply. Got it?
Yes,
After applying, after subtracting, next pair will come down in next step. That is 7 6 will come down. Now what number you will be keeping after 4 over here? With the same number you have to multiply, so that it can get cancelled properly, or if it is not a square number, then it will not be cancelled till last pair. Getting me?
understand, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now if you will see, there is another number also. Yes, say. Anyone is trying to say something? Okay,
No,
so there is another number also. Even you can see. I will make another also, so it will become more clear to you. Like over here, it is 7569. You can see 7569. Okay. Now I will be doing without showing you solution. Like 7569. We had paired here. Now here it is 4 digits. So of course, if you will see 8 8 is 64 and 9 9 is 81. 9 it is going bigger. So with 8 we will multiply. 11 will be left. 69 will come down. 8 plus 8 it is 16. Now what with number you will keep over here? With that only you have to multiply. So now how you will check? Suppose here it is 9. If it will go exactly, 3 can be there. But when you are multiplying with 3, what will happen? It will become too much small. Like 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18, carry 1, 3 1 is 3 and 1 4, 481. So another number is 7, 7 7 is 49. At last 9 it will come. So let's see. With 7, 7 7 is 49, and I hope it will go with 7 only. 7 6 is 42 and 4. 49 4 was there, so 6 became. And just see 7 7 is 49, carry 4 was there, 7 6 is 42 and 4 46, carry 4 is there, 7 1 is 7 and 4 11. Exactly it is going.
11.
So what we will be keeping? 7 over here, it will become 1169. And with 7 it will be over here, it will be cancelled. Now what we will be doing? We will be adding 7 over here, it will become 174. Just see, half of 174 is 87. So 87 becomes the root of, you can write therefore, root of 7569 is equal to 87.
Sir,
Yes.
so we have to divide by big number of this, sir.
Yes, that should not go above than the 75, and that should not be too much less also. Like with 7 you will do, then it will be wrong. 7 7 is 49, no. As we are doing in divide, what we are doing? We are taking just less than the bigger one. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
So clear? Now, if you will see over here, there was example. Example number 79. Find the square root of 7569 using the long division method. So of course it has been found. Of course here it has been explained the what saying steps. No need to explain steps. Steps are only for making us understand. But yes, this
Sir.
in long division method you have to show this long division, and at last you have to write the answer
Sir,
like this.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
sir, if we do 299, then it's got the prime factorization, sir.
299 prime factorization. If you
Sir.
take
Yes, sir.
9, 9 and then after 2, 9, 9, 18 and 2, 20. Of course, it will not be divided by 3. Okay?
Sir,
Yes?
sir, if
If
number
give
will there, how is the common,
square
sir?
root, then
One by
how
one.
we find out?
Now just see. If 299 is perfect square, then of course we will be getting a square root. It will be divided by some numbers. If it is not, then it will not be. Like 299, when you will do prime factorization, of course it will not divided by 2 because it is odd number. It will not go division by 3 because their sum is also 20. It will not divide by 5 because at last there is no 5 or 0. Now, after that there comes 7. So for 7 checking, what we are doing, we are multiplying the last digit and subtracting from the remaining digit. That is 9 to the 18. 18 when we will subtract, we will get 11. Of course 11 is also not divisible by 7. So this will not go with 7 also.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if sir question will tell, sir, find the square of 13, sir, by long division method.
11, 13 also it will not go. Okay, so this is not a perfect square. 299 is not perfect square, and I think 299 is a prime number which is not divided by any other number.
Yes.
Is there any, okay? So of course, in this case, of course, you can get square root by long division method, like 299. In point it will come. Okay, just see. I'll show you how it will come in point. You will pair like this, like 1 1 ja 1. Okay. Then after here it will come 199. 1 it will be added. It will become 2. Okay. So now you have to keep such a number, so it will be dividing. So with 9 I think it will go 9 3 is 27. No, it will become more. 8 it is a 64 and 16, so that will also become more. 7, then 7 to the 14 and 7 7 is 49. Yes, with 7 I think it will be going. Let's see. 7 7 is 49, carry 4, 7 to the 14 and 4 18. Then what will happen? It will become 1 0 over here. Now, since it is not divisible and you want to find, okay, a square root in point, then what we will do, of course, here 7 it will be added, it will become 34 Now if I will keep point over here, that means 2 0 will coming. Here it is coming down, so 2 0 will come. Now which number we will be keeping? With 3 it will go, I think. 4 3 is 12 it is. I think with 3 it will become more. Yes, 4 3 3 3 is 9 and 4 3 is 12. So 2, and then after 3 3 is 9 and 1 10. So of course it will become more. So with 2 it will go. You can multiply and you can check, okay? So with 2 to the 4, and then after what it will be left? After 4, okay, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6. So 684, when you will subtract, it will come 6, 1 and 3. Okay. So in this way, in one decimal, it will become 17.2 root. Okay. If you want to get it in 2 decimal, then again what will happen? There will come 2 more zeros. Okay, this will be added, 2 will be added over here. It will become 3 4 4. Now 2 0 came, that means it becomes 31,600. So if I think I will be keeping 1, then it will become 3,441. That means 3,000. 3 4 is 12, 3 5 ja, okay, what it is? 15. 3 6 is 18, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27. Let's see by checking, keeping 9. 3 4 4 9 into 9, how much it comes? 9 9 is 81, carry 8, 9 4 is 36 and 8, it will become 45, carry 4. Okay, 9 4 is 36 and 4 40, carry 4, 9 3 is 27 and 4 31. So of course with 9 it is going. So if you want in 2 digit, then it will become 3. Okay, 9 we will keep over here. It will become 31051. As much digit you want, that much time you will go on dividing. Got it? Generally in point, it is if it is not said any decimal, then up to 2 decimal you have to find. If it is said up to 3 decimal, then up to 3 decimal.
Sir, how you kept the 9, sir, there, sir?
Because with 9 when we had multiplied, okay, 3 4 4 9, when we multiplied with 9, then we got 3105, which is a smaller, and the biggest number which we can keep over here is 9 only. After that we can't keep 10 over here. Got
Okay,
it?
sir.
That's why. So in this way you can find in decimal also. Is this clear?
Sir,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
sir,
Say.
if question will come, sir, find the square root of 81 using long division method, how we solve, sir?
Very easy. 81 it will come in simplest step only. You pair, there is 2 number only. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you will do like this. 9 9 is 81. Happen. Cancel. 9 will have become a square root. Got it?
Yes.
Clear now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was, and now after that there may also come some questions, what should be subtracted or what should be added to this so that it can become a perfect square. Like you can see in example 18, it has been said, using long division method, find the smaller number that must be subtracted from, and then after added to, that means subtracted from 5550 to make it perfect square, or added to 5550 to make it perfect square. Then how you will be doing? So when it is said subtracted from, then of course you will do the long division method. What comes remainder at last? Like over here it is 74 and this is 144, and when we will again, if we will add 4, then it will become more bigger, but the number is smaller. So what should be done? This 74 should be subtracted from 55,000, okay, 5550 to make it perfect square, and that will be the square of 74. Getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now when it is said added, then in it, when it is said added, then what it came over here? One more square you will be finding, like 75 square you will be finding, and from that 5550 will be subtracting to know what should be added. Like over here, if you will see, it has been done over here, I think. Yes, Bigger number is 75. Greater than that 75 is there. So 75 square we will be finding. Of course, by multiplying we will be finding 75 square. Okay. Or simply what you can do is bigger number you will take. Like our 8 has been taken instead of 4, 5. Bigger number it has been taken. And now what comes? Answer in minus. That much should be added. When it is said to find added, you will take one bigger number instead of a smaller number. Is this clear?
Yes.
No any doubt to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So now let's see example number 19. Okay. Big question is over here. So let's understand the question at first. Here it has been said on a school's annual day, chairs have to be arranged in auditorium in such a way that the number of chairs in the row is equal to the number of rows. That means as many rows are there, that many chairs are there in each column. Column and rows numbers are same. Now it has been said find how many chairs are there in each row if total is 4,000. So of course you have to find a square root of 4,000 because there is as many chairs. Like if I will say, if you will see over here, if I had made 3 columns, okay, then there will be 3 rows also. Yes. So number of chairs in each rows and each column are equal. That means 3 and 3. So 3 3s are 9. Altogether it becomes. So number of column is what? Root under 9, that is 3. Number of row is what? Root under 9, that is 3. So in same way here it has been said find how many chairs are there in each row. So root under 4,000 you will be doing, then you will be getting the number of chairs in each row. Now here it has been said are brought to the auditorium, but 31 chairs were removed since their covers were found to be dirty. Now 31 chairs has been removed. Okay, then total chairs left is 4,000 minus 31. Yes, that is 3,969. So if you have to arrange only 3,969, then in that case what you will be doing? We will be finding a square root of 3,969, and it has been found, which came 63. That means there were 63 rows and 63 columns, or you can say in each rows there were 63 chairs. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Now
sir.
explain, sir. 3 point.
Okay, of course, few examples are left, I think. After this page only there is, I think, there is 3.2, is it? No, there are few more left. Then after try this section is also there.
Only one
Then
question.
it will come. Okay, say what is your problem? No problem. I will be explaining. Then I will be coming back towards the example again.
Sir, question number, sir, 9. No, sir,
What's it?
9.
What? This find the smallest number which is divisible by each of
No,
these.
sir, 7, sir, 7.
7. Using repeated subtraction, find 192 is perfect square. If it is a perfect square, so of course you will start to subtract from here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 in this way. If at last if it comes 0, that means it is a perfect square. If it is not coming 0, then it is not a perfect square. And of course here it is 2, so it will not come 0. Therefore it is not a perfect square, you will say. If not, then what is the smallest number that should be added to 190 to make it a perfect square? So what you will see, what at last it is left, like 192 we will subtract. Okay, just see I am doing 192 minus 1, then
1.
it will become 191. Okay, in
Then
next step
minus
191 minus 3, then it will become 188. Again
Then
188
88.
minus 5,
5. Sir, I
then it will
understand.
become, understood?
Yes,
Now you
sir.
will be able to make.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I will be again coming back towards this word saying example explanation. Then further when I will come in exercise, then I will be explaining exercise. So this page I had made clear, is it? Let me see. Yes.
Yes.
Now here comes a point. If you will see find the square root of 299.29. Okay, so now if it is point, then in point also, now you have to keep it in mind, like here there is 299.29. so here the pairing will be start, okay, from last. We will start the pairing from last, okay, 2, 2 and 1. Got it? And same way we will divide, nothing to do, same way we will be dividing. Like our here 1 and 1, 1 it will become, it will be subtracted 1, 9 comes, 1 will be added, it will come 2. Now what will be there? Last time I had done, okay. So I think last time with what I had divided, 17, 7 it will go, yes. 7 7 is 49, carry 4, 7 2 is 14 and 4 18. Just now I had done, so I am remembering, okay, with 7 it has gone. So now 7 will be added and it will become 34. Now when it will be subtracted, of course it will become 10. And now after point 2 9 it will come. When after point numbers comes, of course you have to keep point over here. So now if you will keep 3, then I think it will go exactly. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, 3 3 is 9 1 10. So exactly it is going. So you can say 17.3 is the root of. After doing this, if you will add, then also okay. If not adding, yes. If not adding, then also it will be okay. Just if you will see, it will become how much? 346. So of course point is there. So of course after 1 you will keep point, and then you will do half. Then you will get 17.3. Okay.
So one time
So-
more explain.
Okay, I'll be explaining. So you can write at last, therefore, root under 299.29 is equal to 17.3. Okay, let's see once again. What you have to do is, you have to pair the number from the last, okay, 2 digits, and 1 was left, so 1. Again you will divide with the same way, 1 multiplying with 1, it will give 1, because 2 to the 4 we can't do because it is 2 only. Okay, while subtracting it came 1. Now next pair will come down, that is 99. Now you will keep such a number over here which will divide it, and not the smaller number like 6 we can't keep over here, 7 only you have to keep. Okay, and even we can't keep the bigger number. When you will keep 8, then you will find you will get it, the number bigger than 199. So with 7, of course it will become 7 7 is 49, carry 4, 7 2 is 14 and 4 18. While subtracting we got 10. Now of course 7 will be added, 27 plus 7 it is 34. So after this, there after point number was there 29. So 29 will come, and when after point number comes, here you have to keep point in the quotient. Okay, now you have to keep such a number with which it can get divided, either exactly or a smaller. So while keeping 3 we are getting exactly. So 3 we had kept and we had cancelled it. And at last, of course, what is the quotient? That is only the square root. So a square
Yes.
root of 299.29 will become 17.3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No any problem to anyone? Of course, I am speaking fast so that, okay, I will be covering your chapters fast. If anything you are not understanding, you can say me little bit slow.
No, sir, understood, sir.
Okay. So now I will be going in next page. The same thing it has been done, stepwise it has been explained. While making, no need to write these steps, okay? Only for understanding the step has been shown. Now here is a note. If the number of the decimal digit is odd, 0 is affixed at the end of the number, and thus the number of decimal place is obtained. Okay, like just see, after decimals points are there. Okay, if it is like this, okay, 1.432, then what it has been said, we can keep 0 over there to make a pair after decimal. Getting it? After decimal, pair should be formed, And before decimal, of course, if there is 3 numbers, then 2 pair will be formed and 1 will be left. Getting it?
Yes.
Like over here, you
Yes,
can see
sir.
4, 5, 6 was there. There was no pair. So here 1, 0, it has been kept to make a pair. Before decimal, if it doesn't
Only
pair,
0 we can keep.
yes, at the end we can keep 0 because by keeping 0, the value doesn't change. But if you will keep any other number, the value becomes different. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here if you will see example number 21. Okay. In 21, it has been given what? 853.456. So what we will do, we will keep 10, 853.4560. Why we are keeping 0? So that after decimal pairs will be formed. If it is odd numbers, then you have to keep 1 0 at last. Only at last, not in middle. Then it will form a pair after decimal and then you can divide it. Like our here 3 3 is 9, it will become more. So with 2, 2 2 is 4. While subtracting, what will happen? 4 will be left. 53 will be coming down the next pair. When we will add 2, it will come 4. Now if you will keep 141 only, it will become, and it is 453. So I think with 9 it will be better. Let's see what it will come in 9. 9 9 is 81. Carry 8, 9 4 is 36 and 8 44. So of course it is going with 9. So 9 we will be keeping over here and 9 over here. So it will become 441. Here it will be 2 and here it will be 1 and this got cancelled. Okay, and now pair again it will come down 4 5. What we will do, we will add 9 over here, it will become 58. Now the number which we will be keeping over here with the same we have to multiply. If we will keep 3, it will become more than 1500, which will be bigger. So with 2 only it will go. 2 2 is 4, no carry. Okay, 2 8 is 16, 6 carry 1, 5 2 is 10 and 1 11. Are you all getting me?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
If anyone is not understanding, of course you should ask, because this is new to you. So if you are not understanding, don't think that, okay, I am not understanding and asking will be embarrassing. No, asking, if you are not understanding, asking is good. Okay, now you will take carry, it will become 14, 14 minus 6, it will become 8. Here, nothing is, okay, 1 is left, 1 has been taken carry, so this will be cancelled, 1 1, it will be cancelled. After that, there will be coming 6 0. What we will do, we had kept 2 over here, so 2 will be over here also. Okay, I had forgotten to keep earlier there. Now 2 will be added up to here, so it will become 5 8 4. Okay, now which number you will be keeping? With the same number you will be multiplying. And one more thing, here 4 5 came down, which was our after point, so here also 1 point should be kept. When after point number comes, you have to keep point over here. Okay, now if you will keep 2, then of course it will become more than 10,000, but it is 8,160 only. So with 1 we will be multiplying. With 1 it will be coming 5841. So while subtracting, it will become how much? 9. Here it will become 5 1, and here it is 11. 11 minus 8, it is 3. 7 minus 5, it is 2. So if it is said to only find a square root, then you will be finding up to 2 decimal places, that is 29.21. If it is said find the square root up to 3 decimal digit, then again you will be dividing for getting the third number after decimal place. Are you all getting me?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So let's see what the question it was saying. In question it was saying, find the smallest number that must be subtracted from this to get a perfect square. Also, find the square root of a perfect square thus obtained. Now, when here it is said perfect square, then as you can see here it has been done. Okay, as we had done up to 29.21, the same way it has been done, but it is coming in decimal. Okay, here in 21 it is going exactly 5.
Sir,
441, then 12 it came, and 22 came down. Okay, this is different. This is different. Okay, sorry. Here it is 4560, and here also it at last came 2319. So what will happen? Just see. This is the remainder. When this will be subtracted after decimal, if this will be subtracted, then it will become a perfect square. Okay. But this is in decimal, and the root also comes perfect in decimal only. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we will do, when 2319 comes, then here this is after decimal one. So you can say, so 0.2319 must be subtracted from 853.4560 to make it a perfect square. That is, here it has been subtracted also. 853.2241 is a perfect square, and that is the perfect square of 29.21.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Time over.
Time also over?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
today very first time over? Okay, I today joined at 9 only, okay, and first I had done, so the time has been over. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. You joined so late, 9.
Okay, and I
Sir,
will be
your
just
channel
now
name.
showing you how you will be watching this what saying channels, okay, video. Of course, the link I will be uploading
Sir,
today
you are
itself
sending in
in Parents LR.
e-contact.
Now
Sir,
suppose
on a
I have
status you
dismissed.
put, sir.
Suppose if I will dismiss
Sir,
our air,
sir, on
then
WhatsApp
recording will be seen.
status.
Okay, just see, I am dismissing our air, and now simply you will go in team. If you will go in team also, okay, I will show you team. I am going your class, which is 8B, yes, or A?
8C.
It
8A.
8A.
it is, sir.
Okay, okay. So I am just opening 8A, and if you will go in 8A files, okay, there you will see recording 18 April. Okay, this is of 18 April. It is showing 8A.
Kesab Kumar, sir, that boy.
Okay, if anyone does a recording, then that is also seen over here.
Yes, sir. Kesab, sir.
Let me see. So where it is? Happy, what is this? Okay, okay, just for a second. It will show then. After
Yes,
class,
sir,
might be
it
it will
has
show
done
over here
the
only as I
recording,
am
sir.
Sir,
watching.
you put in
It is
WhatsApp
showing now.
status.
Okay, okay, no problem. I'll be okay sending this. Now it is not showing. Might be when class will be over, then it will show over here. Like here, it is empty one recording. Nothing it is. So what I'll be doing?
In
This
which app, sir,
recording
you
I'll
have
be just.
uploaded this video, sir?
This of course link I will be sending in Parents Alarm also. Okay, today itself I will be sending. After 10 minutes or 20 minutes, you will be watching that. And in this way also, when you will go in team files, then there also you will be watching. Class material is there, recording is there. Recording, it is not showing. It is showing of case up. So I am removing this. Nothing is there. So delete option is also there. Is it? No. No problem. Later on, I will be
Sir,
watching.
here click na, sir.
Now I will be downloading your attendance. Okay. Okay. So let me see either it has been downloaded or not. Yes, it has been downloaded. Okay. Now even you can leave, or
Thank you,
if you
sir.
want to see, okay, of course there was, but it is not showing.
Sir, you have sent it the recording on files only.
No, sir, you
Yes, it will
send
be
in
seen.
e-contact.
Recorded class, it will be seen, of course, in files. It will be seen in team, in files also. Okay. but it is now it is not showing. When class will over, then it will be showing. When I will be ending the class, then it will be showing over here in files also. Okay.
Yes, sir, because
Today
recording
you
is
think-
going now.
Okay, it is going on, is it? No, now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Going.
You off the
Yes, sir.
recording.
Okay, stop recording. I had not done that. Why? Okay, sorry.